Welcome everyone to our comprehensive guide on the top 10 essential pieces of hiking gear available on Amazon. Whether you're preparing for a gentle day hike or a multi-day backpacking adventure, the right equipment is fundamental to your safety, comfort, and enjoyment. We have meticulously analyzed countless products to bring you a list that balances performance, durability, and value. Today, we will be counting down from number 10 to our number 1 pick, providing you with all the details you need to make an informed decision. And one more thing, make sure to check the link in description for latest price and discount of each gear we talked about. So let's begin our journey into the world of top-tier hiking gear. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the ATTCL Men's Driving Polarized Sunglasses, a critical accessory for ensuring clear vision and robust eye protection on the trail. These sunglasses are engineered with essential UV 400 protection, which blocks 100% of harmful ultraviolet rays during long hours of sun exposure. The heart of their performance lies in the HD polarized lenses, which are expertly designed to eliminate harsh glare from reflective surfaces like water, snow, and rocky trails, thereby significantly reducing eye strain. Encasing these advanced lenses is a frame constructed from a lightweight aluminum-magnesium alloy, a material chosen specifically for its combination of strength and minimal weight, ensuring all-day comfort without any feeling of heaviness. Securing the number 9 position is the OMALIGHT High Lumens Rechargeable Headlamp, a remarkably versatile and powerful hands-free lighting solution essential for any hike that extends beyond sunset. This headlamp is a true powerhouse, capable of delivering a super bright beam up to 1080 lumens, effectively cutting through the darkest trails. It stands out with an impressive selection of 16 distinct lighting modes, which include not only standard white light, but also specialized red light for preserving night vision and UV light for unique tasks. A particularly innovative feature is the integrated smart motion sensor, which allows you to turn the lamp on and off with a simple wave of your hand, offering truly hands-free operation when your fingers are dirty or you're wearing gloves. Claiming the number 8 spot is the FALKE Men's TK1 Adventure Cool hiking socks, which are specifically designed to keep your feet comfortable and protected over many miles. These are technical garments made from a sophisticated blend of fibers, chosen for specific performance attributes. The primary function of this blend is to actively wick moisture away from the skin, keeping your feet remarkably cool and dry even during the most strenuous ascents on warm days. A key benefit of this advanced moisture management is its contribution to blister prevention, as dry feet are far less prone to the friction that causes hot spots. Adding to the comfort is a design that features heavy cushioning in strategic areas, providing excellent shock absorption on long hikes. At number 7, we have the TLIEAO Comprehensive Premium 430-piece Emergency First Aid Kit, an absolutely non-negotiable item for safety and preparedness on any outdoor excursion. This kit is exceptionally well stocked, coming fully packed with 430 professional-grade medical supplies that cover a vast range of potential emergencies. Its design is intelligently compartmentalized and clearly labeled, a crucial feature that allows you to find the exact item you need quickly during a high-stress situation. The kit is housed within a highly durable bag constructed from premium tear-resistant polyester, which also has a waterproof coating, ensuring your medical supplies remain protected from the elements. Marching into the number 6 position are the TrailBuddy trekking poles, an essential tool for stability, balance, and reducing joint impact on virtually any kind of terrain. These poles are built with longevity in mind, crafted from elite aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum, a material chosen for its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. They are fully adjustable with user-friendly lever locks that can be operated with just one hand, allowing you to easily set the pole height to accommodate different users and slopes. The grip is designed for a secure and comfortable hold, featuring moisture-wicking cork handles that gradually mold to the shape of your hand over time. Arriving at number 5 is the Kricely Men's Snow Boots, a robust and reliable footwear option Designed to keep your feet warm, dry, and secure during a cold weather hikes, these boots are engineered with comfort and warmth as a top priority, featuring enhanced cushioning and effective insulation that provides crucial protection against extreme cold temperatures. Their construction is fully waterproof, achieved through a seam-sealed design and an impervious outsole that acts as a reliable barrier, ensuring your feet stay perfectly dry even when traversing through damp snow or slush. The outsole is also designed to be non-slip, offering increased traction and stability on slippery surfaces like icy trails. Landing at number 4 is the CC Los men's waterproof hiking shoes, a fantastic lightweight and versatile option for hikers who prefer the agility of a shoe over the bulk of a boot. These shoes are built from high-quality bovine anti-suede leather, a material that offers a great balance of durability and breathability, helping to keep your feet cool and dry. They are designed for all-day comfort, incorporating a soft insole that provides cushioning and support, making every step feel comfortable on the trail. A key protective feature is the rugged toe shield, which reinforces the front of the shoe to cushion your forefoot against accidental impacts with rocks and roots. Breaking into our top 3 at number 3 is the blue Quartz 40-liter hiking backpack, an internal frame pack that masterfully balances capacity, organization, and comfort for short adventures. This backpack features a comfortable and ergonomic carrying system, complete with an adjustable back panel, a widened waist belt, and a chest strap that work in harmony to evenly distribute weight across your body. It is equipped with a versatile MOLLE webbing system across its exterior, allowing you to attach additional pouches or gear, and it is also hydration ready, featuring a dedicated compartment for a water bladder. The backpack is constructed from high-density, water-resistant materials, making it highly durable and capable of shedding light rain. At number 2, we have these innovative trekking poles which feature a multifunctional telescopic design and a convenient one-button folding mechanism. The standout feature is their one-button folding system, which allows the pole to be effortlessly collapsed with a simple press, offering a level of convenience that surpasses traditional twist-lock mechanisms. They are designed with 4 adjustable height levels, making them suitable for a wide variety of users and ensuring a customized, comfortable fit. Stability is a core focus, achieved through a durable aluminum alloy construction and a slip-resistant tip that enhances grip on various surfaces. And finally, our number 1 pick, the most critical item for emergency preparedness, the Sierra Madre Emergency Sleeping Bag. This is an ultralight waterproof mylar thermal bivy sack designed to be a lifesaver in extreme conditions, reflecting a remarkable 90% of your body heat back to you to prevent hypothermia. Its primary material creates a barrier that is not only highly thermally efficient, but also completely waterproof and windproof, shielding you from the elements. Weighing a mere 6 ounces, it packs down to an extremely small size, allowing it to fit effortlessly into any backpack or emergency kit without taking up valuable space. And that concludes our countdown of the top 10 best hiking gear items on Amazon. We hope this detailed breakdown helps you build or refine your own adventure kit. Remember, being well prepared is the first step to a safe and enjoyable experience in the great outdoors. Thank you for watching and happy trails.